Okay, I welcome you to Kenya Com Mathematics Classroom. This is our question for today. We asked to solve for x and y if 3, 5 base 2x plus y equals 3, 2 base 7 and 6, 7 base 4x plus y equals 2, 1, 0 base 5. So let's see how best we can solve this problem. The first one is 3, 5 base 2x plus y equals 3, 2 base 7. So this is number basis, okay? So we multiply the digit by the base, one after the other. So 3 times 2x plus y plus 5 times the same thing. That's 2x plus y. So we are done with the left. Now on the right, we have 3 by 7 here. Plus, then we have 2 by 7, okay? Then we raise the base to an exponent starting from 0 from the right. So when you look at the left hand side of the equation, we start from here, we have 0, 1 in that order. On the right hand side, the base itself is 7. So we have 0, we have 1. Don't forget that here the base is 7. That's why we are raising the base to an exponent starting from 0. But here the base is everything. It's 2x plus y. That's why we have to put that in bracket and raise it to an exponent starting from 0 in that order. So now let's simplify. 2x plus y raised to the power 1 is the same thing. So we have 2x plus y plus 2x plus y exponent 0 is equal to 1. 1 times 5 gives us 5. Then 7 raised to the power 1 is 7 times 3 will give us 21. Then 7 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 2 gives us 2. So we expand. 3 times 2x will give us 6x here. 3 times y will give us 3y here. We have plus 5. This is equal to 23. So 6x on the left plus 3y, this will be equal to 18. Why do we have 18 here? Plus 5 becomes minus 5 here. So 23 minus 5 will give you 18. We can reduce this further by dividing through by 3. 6x divided by 3 will give us 2x here. 3y divided by 3 will give us y here. 18 divided by 3 will give us 6. Let this be equation 1, okay? So we have our first equation. Now from here, 6, 7 base 4x plus y equals 2, 1, 0 base 5, okay? So let's simplify that. We have 6, 7, the base is 4x plus y. This is equal to 2, 1, 0, and the base is 5. So we multiply each digit by the base. So we have 6 times 4x plus y. Then we have plus 7 times the same 4x plus y. That is the base. Then we are done with the left. Now on the right, 2 times 5, okay? We have 2 times 5 here. Plus, we have 1 times 5 here. Plus, then we have 0 times 5 here. 0 times 5 here, okay? Then we raise the base to an exponent starting from 0. So we look at the left hand side of the equation. We have 0 here. We have 1 here. But when we come here, the base was 5. The base was 5. So we raise the base rather. We have 0, we have 1, we have 2. Okay. Now this is what we have. So let's see how best we can simplify this to also get the second equation so that we can solve the two equations simultaneously. Okay. So this is number basis and simultaneous equation. Okay, so let's simplify. This 4x plus y exponent 1 is the same thing, okay? So the same as 4x plus y. So let's expand. 6 times 4x will give us what? 24x. Then 6 times y will give us 6y here. Then 4x plus y, all exponent 0 is 1. 1 times 7 give us 7. So we have 7 here. Then 5 squared is 25. 25 times 2 will give us 50 here. 5 raised to the power 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5, okay? Then 5 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. So it's plus 0. Now we simplify this. We have 24x plus 6y plus 7. That is 24x plus 6y plus 7 on the left hand side is equal to 50 plus 5 will give us 55, okay? So we can have 24x plus 6y is equal to 55 minus 7, okay? Plus 7 becomes minus 7 on the right hand side. So we have 24x plus 6y, and this should be equal to 48. This should be equal to 48. We can divide through by 6. Yes. When we divide this by 6, we have 4x. When we divide this by 6, we have y. And when we divide this by 6, we have 8. Okay. So this should be equation 2. So these are the two equations we have. We have 2x plus y equals 6. And we have 4x plus y equals 8. That's equation 2. we are going to solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. Now let's bring the equation 1 here. We have 2x plus y is equal to 6. This is equation 1. So we can use elimination method to solve this by subtracting one equation from the other, because the coefficient of the y term is 1 and they have the same sign, so we can subtract one equation from the other. So we can write equation 2 minus equation 1. That means we are taking equation 1 from 2. So 2x from this will give us 2x. Then y from this will give us 0. So y is eliminated. Then 6 from 8 will give us 2. Then we divide through by 2, this by 2, and we have x is equal to 1. Okay. Now, because we have x equals 1, we can substitute this into any of this equation, either this or this. You'll get the same answer. Okay. So let's use equation 1. That is 2x plus y equals 6. Now x is equal to 1. So we have 2 times 1 plus y equals 6. 2 times 1 is 2 plus y equals 6. That means that y is equal to 4. Why is it 4? Because plus 2 here becomes minus 2 on the right hand side, and 6 minus 2 will give us 4. So y is equal to 4 and the value of x is equal to 1. So this is the solution to the question we were given. Take note, it's number basis and simultaneous equation combined together in one question. So this should be the end of this particular question. If you have any question, you have to leave it in the comment section. I will look at it and I will address it in my next tutorial. God bless you. Follow for more.